Hello live wires, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today I'm making this super cute and easy chain link bracelet using the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit. And without further ado, let's get wired. I'm using the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit and the 20 gauge gold German style wire. My tools are the Beadalon Slimline Series chain nose and round nose pliers, their Glimmer Series nipper tool, their nylon jaw pliers, and their bail making pliers. I'm also using a chasing hammer and a steel block. I'm starting with 20 gauge German style wire. You can cut off the roll or just use about a foot of wire at a time. We're going to cut the end flush and bend it around with the bail making pliers to make the first circle, adjust it so it will fit on the peg of the jig. Place it on the first peg, bring the wire around and down to complete the second loop at the bottom. Just wiggle it around to close the loop. Have it curve around a little bit. From there you can remove it from the jig and cut that end flush. We'll pinch in the little pokey end, straighten it up. You have a little horseshoe shape. We'll put it on the steel block and hammer it a little bit on both sides to strengthen it up and to flatten it a little bit. You don't have to hammer it too much. It's just whatever look you're going for. That's our piece. We're going to make quite a few pieces like that. And we'll hold it at the top loop and pinch the ends together. So we're keeping the loop at the top wide enough and we're lining up those two lower loops. They're just stacked one on top of the other. This is how the component looks. When we've made all our components, we're going to open it up and take the other one and put the loop through both of them and then bring it around to the top loop. After that we can close that little loop. Press it down. Hold the end with the bail making pliers, pushing the little loops on top of each other. So they're closed, stacked one on top of the other, and that's our chain link. And we can keep going, open the loop, hook on the next link, close up the loop, make sure there's no pokey end there, hold the end and stack those lower loops. It's very easy, and with the jig you can get an even sized component. To make the hook, we're going to clip the end of the wire flush and take the bail making pliers, bring it around to make a closed loop. Take a larger part of the bail making pliers, bring the wire around to make the hook. This is a very simple clasp. I have other tutorials for safety clasps that you can use. Take the end of the wire with the round nose pliers to make a smaller loop at the end. Give it a little tug to make it even smaller. You can pinch it in. We just want to finish the wire. Clip the end flush with the flush cutters or nipper tool. Pinch in that little pokey end. Make any little adjustments you need. Straighten it out. Hammer it on the steel block with the chasing hammer. Give it a few little taps. Flip it over, tap it again. Keep going till you're happy with it. To attach it, we just open up the loop, attach it on the end through those two loops. Hook it through. Close it up. Give it a little pinch with the chain nose pliers. And you can round out that end with the bail making pliers, adjust it so it lines up and it's even. Do any little last minute adjustments that you need. And there's your super simple and beautiful bracelet, and it just hooks in like that. And here's the finished bracelet. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share pictures of your wire art and wire jewelry. Hop over to the Wire Lady TV channel every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas for wire art and jewelry, and I welcome your ideas and special requests. There's also templates, tutorials, and ebooks. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.